Easily separate a single Excel worksheet to email it. Don't laugh, but I've worked with a client where they wanted to send a single worksheet in a file to a colleague. They do a save as and then delete what they didn't want their colleague to see. Whilst it does the trick, it's not the most efficient or effective way to do it. In this video, I share how to separate a single worksheet from an Excel file so you can easily send just that one worksheet to someone rather than all the data in the file.
There will be times in Excel where you have a number of worksheet tabs in a file and you want to just send one worksheet to somebody. Rather than saving the file and then deleting the worksheets you don't want, the far easier way to do it is to right-click on the tab that you want to separate into a separate file and choose Move or Copy. Now from here we're going to choose Create a Copy and New Book and click OK. So what it's done is it's created a brand new workbook with just this worksheet tab in it. But you can additionally go back to your original file and the original worksheet's sitting there. So this is really useful because you could actually send this to someone to get them to complete it. Once it's returned, you could copy it, paste all the data back in here, and it's going to fit in perfectly because the two worksheets are formatted exactly the same. And of course you can then go to File and Send, providing you're using Outlook. You'll be able to send this as an attachment or as a PDF, whatever you choose. So that's how you separate one Excel worksheet from the file in Excel 2016.
Like this tip? Get more by signing up for my free Microsoft Excel mini e-course. The link's below.